a puffin. He's a fisherman and a father. He has a mate for life. Both share the burden of raising their week-old chick, their puffling, who needs 5 square meals a day. The parents alternate fishing trips. It's Dad's turn. When fish stocks are low, puffins must fly as much as 30 miles out to sea to reach the good fishing grounds. Once there, they plunge into another world. Good fishing spots are hard to come by, and they have company. Guillemots. Like the puffin, their wings are short and good for diving. Puffins can hold their breath for over a minute and dive as deep as 40 meters. A catch! But it's a long way home. After an exhausting round trip of almost 60 miles, this puffin's nearly made it. But there are pirates on this coast. Arctic skuas. All around, returning parents are being robbed. The skua's long, raked-back wings make them faster and more maneuverable. A near miss. A last desperate burst of speed, and it's made it. Safely home after a 3-hour round trip, where his patient partner is waiting.
Subscribe.